So when I want to go back in, I want to start it right about there. Or do I? Now I'm confused.
Alright, hello everybody. Welcome to Buck Does It. Today I put a video together of clocking the distributor. And bought this distributor off of eBay. I think it was like 25 or 26 bucks. I believe it came from California. It has a funky two-port vacuum advance on it I've never seen before. The one vacuum advance locks it to 0 advance, and the other is gives it advance. Now I didn't measure how much it does, or how much advance it has with the vacuum. But anyway, I was having trouble with it. I couldn't get it to run right no matter what I did. Ported vacuum, manifold vacuum. Changed all different settings on the distributor for timing. Now in the video you'll see where I said I set the base timing. I didn't set the base timing. I set the total timing to 32 degrees, and then the base timing ended up at 22. It starts fine, it runs fine. Now I haven't driven it down the road yet. I need to do all that. I did order a vacuum pod or vacuum advance from I think a 1979 Chevy truck, 350. Hopefully that'll make a difference for when I'm driving. But it runs pretty good the way it is right now, so I'm happy with it. I get confused along the way with which way to turn the distributor. You'll see. I put a little fast forward in there with a little bit of music. I had it in and out, in and out, in and out a few times. I thought, why drag you through all that struggle? But I just want to let you know, I did struggle with that. It's been so long since I messed with distributor. And well, I'll just start the video here, and hope you enjoy. Alright, today I'm going to reclock the distributor. I need to move or turn the distributor that way. So I'll have to pull it out and move it a tooth or two so that it's facing over here to the vacuum advance. You can see right down in here the wires are hitting the head and the intake. Because I'm going without the vacuum advance for now, because this vacuum advance has it's just giving me troubles. It runs much better without the vacuum advance right now. I have a new one on the way, just a single pod. So let's get at it. Well, of course, the only distributor wrench I have does not fit down inside here, so I got to use a swivel and a socket and an extension. So we'll take that out. All right, now I got the handy dandy magnet with the light on the end of it. Get down in here. There it is. Hit the ground, that's a good thing. Okay, we'll pop the wires off over here so we get the distributor completely out of the way. And then we'll clock this distributor cap completely out of the way, I should say. Yes, I only have 3 clickers. There we go. So now I see this is pointing here. So when I want to go back in, I want to start it right about there. Or do I? Now I'm confused. Well, that was confusing. I think I got it this time.
It was over here earlier, pointing here. Okay, so we're back in, or we're pointing right about there. Okay, so we did move that way. I'm going to leave it there for now and go check the timing. And while I got it apart, I believe I'm going to change the fuel hose, since it has to be changed for the drag race at Sykeston. So might as well do that while I have the cap and stuff off here. Alright, this nylon braided, or steel braided with nylon coating, does have steel in it. I don't have a cutter to cut it. So what I've been doing is just use my cutoff wheel. You get a little rubber burning. Plus, if I get it hot enough, sort of melts the nylon. You smell the rubber? All right. So it is pretty tough stuff, as you can see. And then everything I do, I got a little torch here, and I'll melt the end here, melt the nylon so it doesn't peel back on me. Same way with the other side here. I'll just torch the end here, and then that'll melt that nylon and then keep it from peeling back. A bit easier to handle once I get on the car. Just don't do it with gas in there. Now, when did they change the hose clamps from 1/4 inch to 6mm? I guess I'm behind the times. And we're going to prepare this out here before we put it on the car. And what I do is I put a little, I just put a little 3-in-1, and then it just helps it slide on there much easier. Mainly since we got plastic here too. So I go in there like that, and I need to. Okay. Got both sides melted. 6mm. Maybe it was where I bought the clamps, huh? Okay, that's good. Why didn't you tell me that was the wrong way? Gotta flip it. Okay, I got the distributor bolt back in down there. Or snug. Got the cap back on. Timing light ready. Hooked up to number 1, and you can see it was vacuum pod was over here. Now it's over here. So hopefully I have enough room here to get my adjustment. We're going to find out here shortly. Okay, I just checked set base timing too. Base timing set 22. Right here, take it up to 1800 RPM, 2000. Got 32 degrees total timing without vacuum advance. So we're going to try it like that for now until I get that other vacuum pod in, and then see what we can do there. But that one there was it was spitting back through the carburetor. It was doing all kinds of things on me. So let's see how that works out. I got more room now. Let me show you. Got more room now with the wires aren't up against, so all that's looking good. Plus I got lots of room here with the fan. I just have the vacuum here on this back port because the back port pulls the vacuum or the advance away from it. This port gives it advance. So I just put it here for now. Never seen one like that. I just got this distributor off of eBay. It was $25 or something. So let's see how that happens. See how that works out. Let's see how it starts warm. Should start right up. Yeah, so I'm okay with that. Let's give it a shot. I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell if you want to be notified. Remember, be good. If you can't be good, be kind. See ya.